What's up, y'all? Making another burp video, playing some video games. Got some sparkling ice, lemon lime. Yeah, you know that. That the freshest Sprite is lemon lime. And you'll get to rhyme every time. And every line. Okay. Let's play some video games. How about that? Video games, yeah. Okay. Oh, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the like button. If you like my burps, yup. All right, thanks. Oh, and check out the forums. And the link is in the description. My Instagram is gold eyes Spencer. Gold Dispenser. I have a Facebook too, but y'all have to just find me that way. Spencer Howell. All right. Anyway, here's some. Let's play some video games. Here's some TV. Yeah. I'm gonna play Sudoku. No, I'm gonna be Goku and go into Double Dragon and beat up all of the whole crew. And you won't misconstrue what I'm about to do, because I hit you like I'm in a boxing bout too. And you better know what go off at the top of the dome. I'm going all out too. And I really want to talk out loud, think out loud. Yeah, you stinky and proud of your stinky. You get down and be thinking you're then proud of your stinkiness. Okay, anyway. I'm done. He just punched a woman, man. That ain't cool. What does she deserve it? What does she say to deserve it? Ain't nobody deserve nothing like that. You ain't doing that to me. Yeah. Hold up. Gotta get a nice drink. Make sure this doesn't explode on me. This is one of my favorite fight games. Yeah, you try to hit me with that whip, woman. You ain't gonna whip me around. I get it yet. Oh, what a while. I should have saw that coming. You got me back. Yeah. Oh man, that is nuts. Yeah, get down and stay down, you big-chested freak. Freak of nature. She has big arms, big chest, big legs. Get out of here, woman. You're crazy. Coming at me with a whip. And then I get jumped right when I come in here. I just fell off, dude. It's not supposed to happen. It's supposed to be the other way around. That guy is supposed to fall off. Get out of here, man. Kick you in the face. Oh, he punched me real hard. Come on. Come on, dog. What's up? Yeah, that's what I thought. You see that? Yep. It fell. No, he's not throwing that at me. I'm not going to let him hit me with that. Oh, he's throwing stuff at me. Oh, you crackhead. You're going down. Yeah. That was good. Hope you got all that. Bring it on. Who wants this bat? Yeah, bring it on. What's up? Oh, you just hit me with the freaking dynamite and killed me. Yeah, you're going down there. Oh, you just hit me again. Yeah, get down there. Kookaburra. That'd be your tomb. What's up? That was a close fight, man. He almost kicked my ass off the off the thing. Excuse my language. Yeah, you're gonna eat that. You're gonna eat that. Come on, next level. Yeah. Oh, this lady just hit me with a whip. I ain't gonna let that happen. What's up, you brawny biatch? You think you're so brawny? Sick. I don't like muscular women. So get out of here. That. Oh, I got them bass hips. Oh, I sure you do. Well, base this. I'm out of here. Base this on how I'm out of here. This is the fight going down. What's up, dude? Yeah, he's getting kicked. Kicked again. And Need. He just got his ass whooped. Come on now.
Watch your mouth.
Whoa! Ah! Just kicked your A in out of the alphabet. Don't swear, Spencer. I'm sorry. I just missed with that. I don't want to kill anybody. Just knock them out. That's it. Just knock them out. Silly. Yeah, knock them silly. Come on, get off me. That's right. This level is not easy, I'll tell you that. These guys are crazy. Just gotta do that multiple times. Knee him in the head. He just keeps getting up, man. Oh yeah, you got KO'd, boy. You don't toy with the Double Dragon boys. Yeah. I'm a dragon boys by the hair. No, I don't, because they're men in here. Make them look like boys. Because they're scared in here. I just died. Sorry, people. That's it. I'm not starting over, and I ain't continuing. So,
anyway, let's go get a Capri Sun. Go get a Capri Sun. Oh, I got one. I got a Capri Sun right here.
Yeah.
Capri Sun, anyone? 100% juice. This I do mess with. I mess with the Capri Sun, man. Oh, yeah. Not like mess with it, but come on now. I don't say F with it. So get out of here with the stressing and the wit. Because nobody has a wit. Just kidding. Of course, everyone has a wit. What am I saying, dude? Have a wit. You got to have a spliff. No, don't do that, ish. It reminds me of back in the days when I used to live in Washington. Yep.
That's great. That's great. It's work in progress.
My site is work in progress. So I gotta figure out. I gotta get some equipment. It might be months until this is up. So I don't know what I'm gonna do, but
Join the forums.
I keep telling you guys, join the forums. It's in the link description. You want to talk? Go to the forums. It's in the link description below. Wah.
Do it now.
Or else I'll puke on you. All of you. I will burp puke on you. Ha 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 ha. with all the few things that I ate. I will debate with the puke in your face. Who's this disgrace? Okay, shut up, you stupid. I have some mace. I'm gonna shoot you in the face. Don't do that, you stupid. Some more. Oh, don't do this. That's what the lunch teacher told us not to do. It will project out Capri Sun if you do that. It will project out Capri Sun, and you cannot do that. Absolutely not. You are not capable of drinking every drop of the Capri Sun. So do not mess with the Capri Sun. It's like, are you serious? Yeah. That's how the stupid elementary recess teachers were, the lunch teachers. Mrs. whatever her name was. You remember? Do any of y'all from Silver Lake Elementary remember? No, you don't. I just remember them telling us not to do that, to blow up the Capri Sun like this. It will project that Capri Sun back up into your eyes and your face, and you'll be in pain. And they said it like this too, because they from the South. They're from the South, and they don't need the clout. Okay, anyway. What am I talking about? I'm coming up at the top of the dome. Scalping your whole head. Now your soul's dead. Scalping your whole head. Yeah. Now you're all dead. Woo! I just made it in the garbage this time. That was a rare event. Wow. Okay, anyway, y'all, hope I burped enough for you guys. This is me signing off. No, Spencer Howell signing off. All right, Suspense, Xanatari signing off. Peace.